Well, you can tell this side is not the new section of the hospital. The footpath is uneven. But we're going down to this old building at the end of Hospital Road. Look at all the parts of the footpath that are not even. Concrete upended. Oh gosh. Oh fuck. Sorry about the language. Bus stop again. Looks like that bus has crapped itself across there. Morning. So this part of the hospital is the cancer section, I believe. It used to be. That's a bit steep. Dead. He can't get here at all. It's freaking dead. It really is dangerous. Sorry about that, peeps. I won't be able to go to that section. The footpath is not. Very dangerous. Come on. Building there, which I can't access, was where Baz Luhrmann filmed some parts of The Great Gatsby with Leonardo DiCaprio. I wanted to get there, but unfortunately the footpath is not accessible, so I don't think I have much time remaining. But if I can, I'll try and go on the road. see if I can access it closer, alright? I'm not sure if we can go inside, but private property, but let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. See. On the way back we'll film that section on the footpath. So, we'll go to the front, but we won't go in because it's private property. Okay, so this is a Thomas Walker Estate, Rivendell School. So this one is called the Thomas Walker Estate. Welcome to Rivendell School. So this is part of the hospital as well, but looks at it. Private property. Unfortunately, look at the road here. It's very dangerous, uneven. No footpaths to get in there, it's just the road only. We won't be going in, but let's see if we can zoom in. Can't get in there. It is private property. I can't get over these speed bumps. Here's right here. Let's see. Cobblestones on the other side. You zoom out again. I would really like to go in there. I think maybe you might have to. There is a sign there, but unfortunately we can't go in. But here we go, other end of, this is the very end of Hospital Road, where all the buses turn around the roundabout. There's the bus that goes to Herschel, Port End. There's the car park. Anzac Research Institute is over there. So let's go have a look inside again. So here's a film. This is the sidewalk I was unable to access. It's just adjacent to the Anzac Research Institute. You can see again where the white grinding parts or sanding parts are. Go past this Tesla. Nice. So here, that right there is a section that I could not access. Look, let's zoom in a little bit. On an angle, I would have tipped out. So, Canada Bay Council, you could do better than that. Alright, let's go back inside, get something to eat. Sorry. Thank you. Let's see what we got in between these two trucks. Okay. So that's the old new section of the hospital. Let's go back down this way. Nurses or medical staff and training by the looks of it. Footpath here again, that's so great. Oh. Standalone building, that must be a heritage building. That's why they could not rip it down. Building 12. So I've already checked into my medical appointment, my little procedure. They said it'll take maybe a couple of hours. I did tell my team leader yesterday that I have one, but I didn't expect it to be longer than an hour. More of those solar panel parking for meters. Welcome back everybody. We're now inside the grounds of the hospital. Just want to go down and have a look at the new section to show everybody what it looks like. So that part there, the chapel, that's an existing building. But that over there, the reddish orange colour brick building, is the new section. Zoom out a bit. So that's the new updated entrance of the hospital. So we're going to have a look. So a little familiarity, it's the same colour as the Concord, sorry not the Concord, the Liverpool hospital. And that's the section there. I'm not sure if that's new or not. It does kind of look a little bit new, but this bit here, can't drive, stupid. So this is the section that used to be over there. So this is the new area. So let's go back in. This is the inside of the small area of rusty piece building reception. Well, these indigenous artwork. Quick loan pool. So I think I've got a little bit around. Go up. Get a small tourist tent as well. We'll go upstairs. Okay, we're going to go back outside. So we'll go back outside in order to get it back upstairs. you for watching. That was the new section of the hospital. Does look a little bit abandoned still. There's a lift over that side. And out we go. Thank you for watching. So we just left the Aged Health and Rehabilitation Centre. There's also another new building, Concord Centre Palliative Care. Good morning. Sound 48. Let's just follow this corridor down. Building 44. Yes, that is a new building. Concord Centre for Palliative Care. And these are all old buildings. Fibro buildings. Potentially asbestos materials. Most of these old buildings with that sort of material are asbestos, which we all know is dangerous to our health. So one thing about the hospital, we have the new and the old section of the hospitals. So we're just going to go all the way down to this corridor, walkway, whatever you want to call it. Oh, and they even have their own EAT program, just like my department.